Okay, artists, today we're going to show you how to use, or how to create, I should say, a paper loom. The loom is what you weave on, and we're going to make the loom, and we're going to make what's called the warp of the loom. So first we're going to start, there's black paper, this paper's over at the red table. The first thing you want to do is notice your short sides should be left and right, and the long side of the paper is at the top and the bottom. Once you have your paper lined up like this, you're going to just fold it in half like you're making a card or a book. And you're going to go all the way over. I'm going to use this hand to stop my paper. And once it's all lined up on the edge, I'm going to hold it down with one hand and just smooth it out with the other. And then I go up and I go down, so that you have the open side and the folded side. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm going to turn my paper so that the open side is on my left hand. The L makes a left for left hand. And then using my ruler, I'm going to line the ruler up with the edge of my paper so it's right in line like that. And then again, making an L with my finger, I'm going to place my fingers so that the middle of the ruler, which is where this little circle is right in the middle of my paper. That way the ruler won't move at the top or the bottom. It's secure in place. And using my white colored pencil, I'm starting at the top and I'm just going to make my line down. And again, that's on the open side of your paper. Make sure it's on the open side. Then turning my paper, I'm just going to write in the middle my name and my teacher code. Then putting the opening at the top and the fold at the bottom facing towards me. I'm again going to line my ruler up with the edge of the paper. Only this time I'm going to start at the white line I created, not at the edge of the paper, at the white line, and I'm going to go down. Again, making that L with my fingers. Then I'm going to slide my ruler up, and this time instead of the edge of the paper, I'm lining my ruler up with that white line. And again, starting at this white line, going over. And then I'm going to just do that all the way across my page, lining it up, making my line, lining it up, making my line. Now when you get to the end, this time where it's really skinny, I'm going to do a line the whole length of my paper, because this is going to be too skinny to weave. So when I go to cut the first one, I'm going to cut that skinny little piece right off. We don't need any skinny minis. We'll get rid of that. And now I can cut along my lines, but I need to stop at that white line. That line shows me that I need to stop. And I'm going to go this way. I should stop at the edge of my scissors and stop. Cutting along with the edge of my scissors and stop. So that you go all the way across, and then you have your paper open like this. So when I open it, now I have my loom I can weave across. And we'll show you how to weave in the next video. So I have my warp on my loom and I'm ready to weave. Happy weaving!